Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBPJPY, USDJPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, where now we are giving out signals, live sessions, everyday webinars, upcoming seminars, and many more. Please ensure that you subscribe on our channel so that you may not miss one of our content that is provided to this channel. Okay, today we are looking for GBPJPY on a daily time frame. Now we can see that the market is still consolidating on 183.400. okay, so now first and foremost, we know that we're going to analyze on a daily time frame, and then firstly, how are we going to analyze this is we paste or we clutter something called zones. Okay, we need to identify the zones. We don't know the strategies that you are in, but then each and every strategy, I bet you that it has the support and resistance. Either you are on an SMT or the ICT or any strategy that you are in, but then ensure that you identify bigger or overall moves of the market, which are the support and resistance. This is exactly what we are doing right now, and then this is the support that we are into, and our support is between 179 price to 178 price. Okay, now what is the resistance zone? The resistance zone we jump into the trend line, because we can see that the market is was not correctly on the support on the resistance zone, but it was consolidating from here, and then it went down, and then it went up. Okay, let me do this. It went up. Okay, it went down on the support, and when it went up, okay, and then now it became a resistance. Okay, and then it went down on a support zone, it went up on the resistance trend line, and then it went down. Okay, so now the market is still going uptrend. Okay, still going uptrend. So now we don't know that the market is still going to go upper, or is going to reverse and go down, shoot down. Okay, and then possibly that the market could go in this point. Okay, all right, and therefore it can break this support zone, and then looking forward to go down. Okay, there is a possibility, but then nonetheless, before we can do that, because you can see that the market is still here, right? So now before that, we have identified the support zone, which is here. Okay, and then even the resistance zone, we can see it was on a trend line. Okay, so forex traders or retail traders that are experienced, they can see that the market where it's going, and then that we are not too sure about it. We are even 50% sure that the market will go up. Okay, so the other thing is, we can see here there is a very small resistance zone in 4 hour time frame. We can change to 4 hours time frame, and we can see that the market is still consolidating on the resistance zone. Okay, still consolidating on a resistance zone, and there is a possibility that the market can shoot down, and then after shooting down, and there is a very small support zone here in 1 hour time frame. Okay, of which now we can see that when we insert a trend line like this, we can see that okay, the market possibly can go into the trend line, and between the trend line and the support zone, and actually shoot up again, and therefore it can go once again down can go once again down and then actually shooting up. All right, and then possibly the market can break this structure, because now the structure has been happening since from the 7th of December 2023, and the market is still kept onto the price of 185,000 to 179,000. So now possibly in this January 2024 the market can go upper and break this consolidating trend and go shoot up. Okay, when it's shooting up, obviously is going to our trend line. Okay, but alternatively, remember that guys, we are not too sure about the market, because now the market is still consolidating in a trending channel, in a consolidating channel rather, and therefore there might be a possibility that the market can shoot once again down, okay, and go up and go down. All right, but then there's a possibility once again that the market can go down, okay, and then shoot once again down, and therefore it can make a reversal or something called a pullback and actually go down. All right, so how are we going to track that? We are going to track in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so now the market is still consolidating in a trending in a consolidating channel, or it's still in the ranging channel. Okay, so now when the market reaches here, we are going to buy, but before our buying signal, we are going to ensure that we go into 15 minutes time frame, and we're looking for a certain candlestick patterns that is going to confirm to us that this is an uptrend. Okay, so now remember to use the risk reward ratio, where we are going to risk 1% from the initial balance, and also reach 3% of the balance of our initial balance. So this is our stop loss, and therefore this is our trend, or this is our risk reward ratio. We ensure that when we execute accordingly and according to the risk reward ratio, so that we may gain higher more than we can lose. Okay, so remember that you risk 1% of your account, and in order for you to gain the 3% of the account. So ensure that you subscribe to this channel, and once again there is a link in the description below to join our Telegram group, where we provide free trial mentorship before you can subscribe to our mentorship. So we have the everyday webinar with our mentors, with other students. Ensure that you are meeting one of those students, or to make part of the community, part of the team. So ensure that you start with us, since now it's 2024 January, and we are going to provide possible moves, possible setup of GBPJPY. Ensure that you are going to join our Telegram group, so that you may not lose anything that we provide each and every day. Remember that our pairs that we are trading is GBPJPY and GBPUSD, but then an individual, I love to trade GBPJPY, because that's where I feel I have a great much opportunity to analyze, and therefore my losses are lesser than my winning trades. So that's why I'm perfect in about GBPJPY. Remember, if you want to master the forex trading analysis, you want to be on one pair. Okay, choose only one pair, or choose even our pair GBPJPY, so that we may gain more, we may grow more. We pass the prof firms trading only one pair. Okay, trading just only one pair GBPJPY. Okay, you can become a multi-millionaire only just trading one pair. It's not a matter of trading many pairs. It's not a matter of trading many financial instruments. But in Forex trading, to be disciplined, to master the structure, you need to master only one structure and only one pair. Okay, so ke a re Mokoena, your mentor.